Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today I'm very excited to be pouring my collaboration piece for the 12 Pours of Xmas. Thank you very much, Massey Boys, for inviting me. The day I was assigned for the 12 Days of Christmas song was 5 gold rings, and I have so many ideas, but I think I have finally settled on this idea. I'm going to do 5 ring pours here. Then in the middle, I'm going to pour a layer of gold in between, and then do another layer of ring pours on top of it. So it should have, in between the 2 layers of ring pours, there should be a gold ring in each of the pours, in each of the petals. So I'm excited to get started. My inspiration for the color scheme here are Christmas lights, because my favorite thing about Christmas trees and Christmas lights, I like them to either be all white lights, or I like it to be all of the colors in white. So I've gone with all of the colors. So let me walk you through my color scheme here. This should be a lot of fun. I have all of these colors. How many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colors. Oh, for the 12 days of Christmas. I didn't even think of that connection, but okay. So all of my paints today are mixed with 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, except for the DecoArt 24 karat gold. I added some mix pour to this to thicken it up. And I think I did the same thing with the Golden's permanent maroon. Because it was a heavy body paint, once I stirred it in with the Floetrol, it was a little thin, so I added some Floetrol to thicken that up so that I get a nice creamy consistency. Let me show you using the pink, the consistency, and then I'll go through the rest of the colors. So I want my lines in my ring pour to stay true to shape, not a lot of blending. So I have mixed my paints so that they leave a mound on a mound. It's nice and creamy, but it continues to mound when you drizzle it off of the stick. So the rest of my colors then. So this is a mix of, all my other colors are Amsterdam. So this is a mix of Persian rose and quinacridone rose. I just wanted to brighten that up a bit. This is greenish blue. This is deep violet from Liquitex. This is naphthol red medium. This is azo orange, turquoise blue, permanent blue violet, permanent green, I think it's called, yellow, primary yellow, and Amsterdam titanium white. Okay, I think I've done all of the colors. So I'm going to go ahead and start layering some cups, and I will probably speed a lot of this up. And keep these in order so I don't get them confused. But yes, I will probably speed this up so that you can listen to some music while I'm layering all these cups.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I'm trying to tell you. Wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I'm no longer going away. Right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it show.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a
So here are the wet results of my 5 gold rings stacked rainbow ring pour. Oh my gosh, so many things to remember. But I think this is really cool. Look at that. I love the way this stretched out. I love the, especially this permanent maroon and orange with the gold are gorgeous. I love that one. I'm gonna build a color palette around that and do a whole pour in those colors. That is gorgeous. I love this blue and turquoise area over here is stunning. The green and the yellow and the gold in this area. I don't even mind that pink. Lots and lots of gold, so this is gonna sparkle and shine in the sunlight. But yeah, I love how there's different colors in between the layers. Oh, so pretty. I love it. I'm so glad I wrecked it too. It gave it a whole new motion in the center. A lot more pink on this side. And kind of integrated all of the colors together because the green and yellow from here went into the blue, and then the blue, when it traveled, brought it into that red, and the turquoise and red in there. Yeah, I love how that wreck line integrated everything. Just one simple wreck all the way through. This corner is really pretty. It's like a purple oyster shell. Yes, I'm really happy with this. I hope you like it too. Thank you very much again to the Massey Boys for including me in this collaboration. I will list all of the participants in the description box as well as a full written tutorial. I call it the Keys to Success. So if you want some helpful hints and tips on doing ring pours, stacked ring pours, any of that kind of thing, look in the description box below. Merry Christmas, everyone. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and come back and see me sometime.